Welcome to the Math Help Services Teacher Training module. The following set of tasks is designed to make sure that you are comfortable with navigating the MHS software before you leave this initial training session. Please follow along at your own pace with your Task List for Teacher Training pamphlet. If you don't have this pamphlet, or after this session there are any features that you would like more detailed information about, please contact the MHS product specialist in your area at www.math-help-services.com/contact. They will get back to you as soon as possible. Log into your teacher's account. At the top of the page, make sure to select your demo class from the drop-down menu. At the top of your curriculum, it should now say you are currently working with demo class. This is very important so that you're not sending emails or assignments to your real students. One of the first things that teachers should learn how to do is add or transfer students to their class. While MHS does come preloaded with all of your classes entered, one of the realities of teaching is that students come and go constantly. Go to Management, Manage Classes in the horizontal nav bar in your account and select your demo class. Click the Add Student icon and a field will open for you to type the last name of the student. By typing a last name of a student, the system will search to see if that student already has an MHS account and allow you to transfer them into your class rather than creating them a new account. You are going to create a student account for yourself within your demo class. To do so, click the Add a New Student to Class button and enter your first and last name and your email address. It is very important that you use your same name and email as in your teacher account so that the school does not get invoiced for this account. That's how easy it was to create a new student account. Scroll through the curriculum and click on one of the video lessons to investigate the format of the MHS video player. Take a look at the intro video lesson, an example, the question and solution, the PDF notes, and the Create Quiz feature. You can play with the icons at the top of the player to see how you can make the player larger or open it in a new window if you like. Close the video lesson player and return to your curriculum. Now, we are going to assign the video for that lesson to your class by clicking on Assign Video. In the description box, tell them to watch the video lesson and the first two examples. You can assign these lessons to your whole class or individual students who may have missed class or are going to be away. Now let's assume that you've taught this topic the next day in class. Beside that lesson in the curriculum, click on Send Homework. Each video lesson has 40 questions associated with it. Each student will get a unique assignment from this database of questions. You can have a look at these questions by clicking Exclude Questions. Click Send Homework at the bottom of the window to send an assignment to the class. Go to a different lesson in your curriculum and send a homework assignment to the class. This time, make the due date Sunday night and click on Exclude some questions, and exclude the first 10 questions in the list. This will pull these questions out, randomize the remaining questions, and send a unique homework assignment to every student. Now let's do the same thing again, but send it to a specific student. Click on the Send Homework beside a lesson. On the bottom of the window, you will notice that you can send the assignment to multiple classes or specific students. Click Send the assignment to specific students, then click Select Students. While you could select a bunch of students from different classes to get this assignment, locate the student in your demo class, check off their name, and click Accept. Then click Send Assignment, and this individual assignment has gone out to only that student. This is a great way to differentiate instruction. Note that individual assignment grades don't affect the class grade, but there is a column in the gradebook for each student's individual assignments grade, and you can choose how to count them later on. Investigate how the PDF workbook elements in your curriculum function. Click on the link to one of the classroom investigations or chapter tests and peruse the document. Then return to your curriculum and click Assign Work beside that document and send the document and the solutions to your students in your demo class. Note, you can have the assignment and the solutions appear in your student's account on different dates. Click the Unit Review quick link on the right side of your account and create a unit review on the first 10 topics in the curriculum. You can change the number of questions for each topic, for one of the topics, change the settings from Random Questions mode to Exclude Questions mode, and check off the first few questions in the list for that topic. The system will exclude these questions, randomize the rest, and deliver a unique assignment to each student. Select Question mode allows you to pick the specific questions that will be used in the rotation. When using Select Question mode, be sure to pick more than the number of questions you are assigning from this topic. Click Send Unit Review, and it's been created and sent out. Click the Course Notes quick link. For every lesson in the curriculum, there is a detailed set of PDF lesson notes with walkthrough examples. At the top of the pop-up window that opens, select the curriculum that you would like from the drop-down menu. Then, click Assign Document beside one of the lessons in the curriculum and check off your demo class on the right-hand side. Set the dates the way you would like them and click Send Course Notes. These PDF notes have now been distributed to the students and will appear with a download link in their account. Click the Upload and Distribute quick link. You can drag files from your computer to here and they will be stored forever in your secure account so that you can digitally distribute them to your students without having to photocopy. At the top of the pop-up window that opens, click the Upload Documents tab and a pop-up will open that says Drag Files Here. Try dragging a file off your desktop into that area so that it uploads to your account. Close the uploading window and click the Assign Documents tab, and go through the steps to assign that document to your demo class. The students in your demo class will now be able to download this file from their account. Click the View Student Assignment quick link. In the drop-down menus, locate the demo class, a student in it, and one of the assignments you created, and you'll see the assignment instantly displayed on the screen. This is a great tool when students ask questions about their homework assignments in class. Note that if you find an error in a question, you can also report it to MHS from here. In the Reporting drop-down menu at the top of the page, select View Login Info and select one of your classes. This page will always display your students' current login info, no matter how often they change it. During the in-class launch, we usually print this page out, cut it into strips, and hand each student their username and password. In the Messaging drop-down menu at the top of the page, select Contact Students and send a quick message to the students in your demo class, telling them how great their teacher is. Click on the Final Exam Prep tab on the home screen of your teacher account. The Final Exam Prep is the capstone of every MHS course. We build our final exams by discussing the assessment requirements and composition with local teachers. We will often get local teachers to write these exams. For courses with provincial exams, we build these tests based on what the ministry has used in years past. Once we write the exam, we will then create detailed video solutions for every question. We build 2 exams with video solutions for every course. You, the teacher, can release this preparation to your students when you're ready, and you can stagger the release of the resource in an effort to get students to try the exams before they look at the video solutions. Note, you can also print this exam and use it as a mock final in your class. If you hover over each of the menu items in the drop-down menus, a description of that feature will pop up. Please hover over each of them and read the description. If you have some time at the end of your training session, you can come back to your teacher account and investigate some of these features further. This concludes our tour of the MHS teacher account. When you're ready, log out of this account and log back in using the fake student account we created earlier in the session. In the student account, click on the Complete Assignment link beside one of the students' homework assignments and complete the assignment. On one of the questions, make sure to click the video help link that is included at the top of every question. This opens the video lesson that this homework assignment comes from. Scan through the examples in that lesson to find one that is similar to this question. View the examples, then close the video player and go back and complete the homework assignment. Don't worry about getting 100%, just answer the questions quickly. In the student account, click on Create Remedial and create a remedial assignment on the homework assignment that you just completed. That's how easy it is for students to remediate their assignments. In the student account, click Contact Teacher and send a quick message to the teacher, you, telling them how great they are. As long as your proper email address is entered in your account, this message will go directly to your email. Now, let's investigate other things that students can do once they've finished all their assigned work. In the student account, click on Create Quiz. Here, their entire curriculum is displayed, and they can quickly create a 5-question quiz on any topic. There is also a 10-question practice test at the end of every chapter. The video help feature is available for these quizzes just like it is in the homework assignments they get from you, their teacher. In the student account, click on Improve My Grades. The MHS system will search for any assignments from the current term that could be improved through a remedial and list them here. Note that there may not be many listed here as this is your demo account and there hasn't been many assignments yet. In the student account, click on View Videos. Here, the entire curriculum displays. Students have access to every video lesson in their course and can review lessons or preview them before they are taught in class. Video Search allows them to easily search any lesson within the MHS database. Whether they want to work ahead or have a refresher lesson on concepts from previous years, it's all here for them. The entire user interface was designed to provide students with everything they need without them having to look for it and with nowhere for them to get lost. This concludes our tour of the MHS student account and our overview of the MHS platform. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local MHS product specialist at www.math-help-services.com/contact. Thanks for watching.